Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit more toned down, softer, a little more natural, let's say. Not super natural, but a little softer. I asked you over on Instagram if you guys prefer a natural or glam dramatic look, and I probably ask you once every couple of months, just because I'm always curious to see what you're feeling at that moment. And a lot of you said natural, so I wanted to do something a little more toned down and soft and more neutral for you guys. So I hope that you enjoy this look, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into Sigma Beauty Warm Neutrals eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Passion Fruit. With my Sigma E25 blending brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease, all the way towards the inner part of my crease right here, and then start blending this out. This shadow is so beautiful and blends out so nicely. Now just picking up that same shadow on the same brush and just packing this all over my lid, we're going to do a really nice soft pink smoky eye. And then just buff that through the crease to make sure that there are no patchy areas and everything blends seamlessly together. And then I like to take a clean E38 diffuse crease brush and just run that at the high point of my crease to make sure that everything is really nice and diffused out. I'm going into Ciate London Marbled Metals eyeshadow in Entwine. So I'm picking up this beautiful shadow on my finger, and I'm going to start applying this first in the center just because I want the most kind of shine and glow to be in the center of my lid. And then I'm going to start pushing that towards the inner part of my lid and then towards the outer part of my lid. And then taking my E25 with nothing on it, just whatever was left on it, and just blending the crease. And then applying this on the inner corner. I'm now picking up Russet on my E20 short shader brush. I'm going to start just applying this on this outer half of my lash line, and I'm kind of just pushing that into the lash line and then flicking the brush up and just adding a little bit of definition. And then you can kind of just bring that out to create a little bit of a wing. And then kind of just keep swiping up and blend to make it really nice and smoky. I want to keep my lower lash line pretty bare, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of Passion Fruit just on the outer half of my lower lash line. Now going into the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Eyeliner in Black is Black. I'm going to line my upper waterline to make sure there's no gaps between my lashes and they look nice and thick and dark at the base. And just applying a little inner corner with my EO6 Wing Liner brush by Sigma. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to Tati X Molly May Lashes in Everyday. And that's the eye look done. For my lips, I'm going to do one of my favorite lipsticks. I can never stop wearing this. I always rave about it. It is the L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in I Create. It is such a pretty shade, and it feels so incredible on the lips. It honestly feels like water going on your lips. It feels really nice and hydrating and lightweight, but it stays put all day. So let's apply it. And that is it. This is a completed look of my toned down, more neutral, soft pink makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I love how it turned out. The shadow on my lid is so beautiful. These Ciate Marbled Metals are so pretty. I have another shade that I really want to try out, and I feel like it's going to be so perfect for fall because it's more of like a cranberry shade, and cranberries in the fall are my go-to shades. So if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'd be down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!